Hello, Maha, and welcome to Fintech Garden podcast. And we welcome from our audience. It's a big leap for us because usually we are highlighting the news in European Union, in United Kingdom, and today we're pleased to have interviews in Saudi Arabia and all over the region. I know that you are not local, but anyway, we would like to ask what brings you to the conference.
Amazing. First of all, thank you so much for the opportunity. And this is very interesting for me because I'm a European citizen that is also based in the region. So this holds perfectly. I think what attracted me is the interest, the hunger in different fintech use cases, the young population that is very tech savvy, and also the access for investments.
It both combines and really shows the attitude and the vector whereas the Kingdom Saudi Arabia is moving. And it's natural bridge. You mentioned a new generation. And one of the questions that I think are really interesting, if you are a new generation founder, like what is the advice that you can give to new founders who are just jumping into the fintech?
Do not just look to establish a fintech. Find the problem that you're trying to solve. Speak to your regulators early on. An idea will be great, but you have to also be very aware of your compliance requirements. And as much as possible, try to find yourself a partner from the traditional world. So a bank, an insurance company, that would be your sparing partner to test your application, because initially we all thought that fintech will disrupt traditional finance, but I see them like being complementing each other, supporting each other. So this would be my advice. And then once you have a proper POC or a proof of concept, try to expand it and grow it slowly, because an idea is great, but it's an idea that keeps evolving that will be very important.
Okay, it's pretty good. And what do you think is going to be challenging this year into the fintech and the banks? What are the challenges that they face in this year?
I think that the challenge that they will be facing is, to a certain extent, diverging regulatory frameworks that will get in the way in terms of expansion. So we've seen Europe is taking a different approach than the current American approach, than the Gulf approach. So it's very important to also study, where do you want to expand? If you're going local, then it's fine. But the moment that you want to grow your business, make yourself very familiar with the different regulatory frameworks. The other thing that I think will be a challenge, I feel, and this is only my personal observation, that the majority of the investors are mainly focusing on anything AI.
Thank
It's like maybe also for investors, there could be a lot of AI washing. So look into the depth of the details of who are you going to be investing in, and what are the business cases that they're actually trying to solve a problem. I go back to the same to the same issue. What problem are they trying to solve? Because otherwise it will be short-lived.
Focus on the strategy rather than short-term outcomes and pleasing VCs, I would say.
I would say so.
Okay. Thank you so much. It was a pleasure. Thank you for participating. Have a great day.
Likewise. Thank you so much.